this is not mood, I don't know what is. Especially during these times, it's very important to support small businesses. So today, we're going to decorate this area, put up the Christmas tree, and also feature a local gift guide of my favorite small businesses. Stay tuned to the end because I'm offering a holiday giveaway featuring one of these local shops. So my tree, I thrifted this tree a long time ago. Everybody has their own Christmas tree aesthetic, and mine is kind of a non-aesthetic. These are all Christmas ornaments that were passed down to me when I was a kid. I just remember the smell of Christmas trees and having to vacuum the carpet all the time. Oh no, I just broke it. Oh, I know. This was a baby shower wreath, and then I kept it as a Christmas tree base. The very first one is of course holiday themed, and Jessica from Tiny Beaches Boutique opened up her shop. These ones are adult themed, but she offers a lot of different holiday themed options and great gift ideas. She has custom made build your own gingerbread kits. She also has blank ornaments that you can decorate on, so you could buy a kit and do it with your family. Custom orders are available, and her price range is from $5 to $15, which I think is super affordable. These are my favorite ornaments. I've had these since I was a kid, and now I joke that this is Stefan and this is me. I made a huge order from Nancy from Freon Collective. Nancy sells a variety of handmade organic cotton goods, including reusable makeup wipes. She offers a gift set that includes makeup rounds, a scrunchie, and the makeup wipes. Super affordable options ranging from $15 to $50. Now Vanessa from Personal Space Living, she curates her own shop selling vintage home goods. I bought a vase from her. I keep checking back on her shop because there are so many good things. She is especially good at finding vintage colored glassware. Her items come at a great price point, and you wouldn't be able to find pieces like this anywhere else because it's vintage. If you're not a gift kind of person and you like buying experiences, now obviously it's very hard to buy experiences for people, but Darlene from System, she is a professional organizer. She offers online sessions right now, which is very helpful for anybody that's living far away. You know, when you start accumulating things and then the things that are at the back of the shelf end up being lost, she will come in and organize everything for you so that they're neatly labeled and you know exactly where things are. That's somebody that I wish I had when I was moving out as well as moving in. So my friend Cleo started Old Growth Press with their friend Terrence and Yasmin. They feature up-and-coming talent that share like gut punch stories that offer a lot of personal experiences that I wish I found this when I was growing up. Also, they have online Zoom readings, and I joined one of them once where you can meet the authors. They offer readings, and it really enhances that overall experience. Being able to hear and really see the stories from their eyes is incredible. So if you're buying one of their prints or comics, you're getting a whole package experience. Angie from Soft and Sticky, I know, best name ever. Let me show you. I have one of her rings. I have the half dome ring. I fell in love with Angie's design philosophy. She says on her website that her pieces are to be worn and not to be precious about it. She believes that jewelry should not be too serious, so you can really live your life comfortably with it, shower with it, wash your hands with it. And currently she is offering bonus gift depending on how much you purchase on the website, which is perfect because you could buy a present for your loved one and then keep the gift for yourself. Lauren from Lauren Strower Designs, I have some of her pins from a couple of years ago. She has expanded her designs to include so many different things, including, if you love Schitt's Creek, she has some really cute Schitt's Creek pins. And for those of you that love BTS, she has BTS pins. Yeah. For the people that love to express themselves, this is the kind of gift that I think is perfect. She has flash stickers that start at $2 all the way up to $15. So Katrina created Viridi because there is a huge lack in cute planters, especially during off seasons. It's like impossible to find planters. I totally know that struggle, but Katrina has come in to save the day. She also sells a variety of vintage home goods. I have her Gemini planter. So this planter is double-sided. Brilliant, right? So Katrina and I have partnered up to do a giveaway open to Canada and the US, and you could win your choice of planter from Viridi. You just need to enter through my Instagram for more details. It's only running for a week, so you need to get there real fast and enter. I don't have a Christmas tree topper. That's a work in progress. This tree is a work in progress. Something about ugly Christmas trees that I really love, and I hope you all enjoyed decorating my special unique tree with me. I'm very keen on finding more local businesses, especially for home goods, so be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to find more local business features on this channel. Happy holidays to whatever you celebrate, and I will see you guys later. Bye!